Hey, we're here at Therapy Elephant Ear Garden, and we're going to highlight today for the Colocasia Toro. What we have here, we have several in the yard, in the garden, and today we're going to look at how they grow. They grow on some tall stems, green leaves, big leaves. Man, Toros are some of the tallest elephant ears there are. Um, and their ears are some of the largest, you know. Now, there are some that are larger, but for our garden type in Zone 7, which is Oklahoma, these grow pretty well throughout the summer months. Um, so we have this one here is close to 6 foot tall, and they grow in bunches. And this is one by itself. Now it is flanked right next to a Colocasia Hawaiian Royal, that has the black and green leaves. You know, um, they actually grow well together. So we're gonna show you another plant as well. Now this one is a little bit fuller. This one is a little bit fuller. Now this is actually two bulbs that was planted here. And look at the nice spread. Man, once again, we have some of the stems, almost 6 foot tall. And the stems are actually a light green all the way from the bottom to the top. So look at that. And we have a lot of new growth in here. Now this actually has turned out to be where a lot of our birds in the area come in and rest. And I see back here now we have a small nest. So a nice plant. Let's come around to the best part of the garden. This is my favorite part of our garden here, is that we have some ground cover potato vines, purple and black leaves. We have the green leaves. Covers this area here, and then we have a taro right here. Look at the ear. This is one of the largest ears in the garden of this plant. Look at that. 30 inches long. Look at that. And we have some stems 5 foot tall. And we have a lot of new growth. And that's pretty awesome. So for Therapy Garden, showcasing Colocasia Toros.